Well, given those numbers, it's not surprising some charities say donations are down right now, but lots of other Calgarians still want to give, especially at this time of year. And there are some important tax advantages in doing so. Our money columnist, Christine Wiley, is here to tell us how to make the most of our charitable dollars. This is a great topic. I end up giving to charities on behalf of relatives every year who say we have more than we need. Let's spread it around. So when do donations need to be made to take advantage of it for this year, I guess?
Okay, so in order to qualify for the 2015 tax deduction, the donation must be received by the organization by December 31st, even if they don't issue the receipt by then, as long as they receive the donation.
Okay, and so what are the tax deductions for a donation?
Okay, so for example, if you were to donate $100, you would get a 15% federal tax credit and 11% Alberta credit. So that would be a total of $26 for your $100 donation. And then over 200, we get an enhanced tax rate. It jumps up to 29% for the federal rate and 21% for the Alberta.
Is there a ceiling on what I can donate?
So for the ceiling, it's 75% of your net income. However, if you were to pass away, you can claim 100% in that particular year,
right,
and also the year prior.
Somebody's claiming on your behalf, I guess.
Right, yeah, your estate.
And cash isn't the only thing that I can donate and get the credit for. This is really interesting to me.
So gifts in kind, as they're called, so rare books, coins, artwork, stamps, even land and some buildings are eligible to be donated. And when you talk to the charity about this, they are likely to have to do an appraisal. So if it's more than $1,000, an appraisal will have to be done to determine the value. But you're also going to see that you know, there's some differences amongst some of the charities, so you may have to, you know, contact that specific charity before you want to make this donation. And it's also part of some of the estate planning that you may do. An
interesting option, though, for sure. This time of year, a lot of the charities are asking to fill the backpack or the hamper. Yes. How does that work?
Okay, so for the Secret Santa is one where if you actually have the receipt for the items that you purchased in order to donate, they will give you a charitable donation receipt for that. There's also like Habitat for Humanity. If you have building service background, or if you have some used building goods, you could donate them and they'll give you a charitable donation for that, as well as labor. So if you're a plumber or an electrician and you do some installation work for them, you could also get a charitable donation for that. But again, you need to contact the
each charity.
Yes.
Is there any specific donation that people think is deductible but isn't going to be?
Yes, there's a common misconception about those lottery raffle tickets. The ones with the big home draws, they're very popular.
Yeah.
And yes, I have clients that put them in all the time and they wanted to deduct them because you're getting a benefit or potential benefit. They are not tax deductible. Okay,
well, that is a good, important point as we stock the stuff the stockings, I guess is the term I'm looking for. A lot of those end up in the stockings at this time of year. Thanks, Christine, as always.
Okay, thanks, Rob.
All right.